Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Pancakes.
It is tea time, and Mummy Pig has a surprise for everyone.
Today is a day for pancakes.
Pancakes? Delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
I love pancakes.
I am just kidding. I absolutely hate them, especially the ones that Mummy Pig makes. They are absolutely disgustingly disgusting.
Everyone loves pancakes.
I'm the expert at flipping.
A bit grumpy when you dropped the pancake on the floor.
I did not get grumpy. There was a problem with the frying pan.
Mummy, can we help make the pancakes, please?
First, I put some flour in the bowl. I put some flour in the bowl. Now I add flour in the bowl. Now the flour in the bowl. I give it all a stir.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, of course, Peppa.
Peppa loves stirring. George wants to stir as well.
No, George, like this.
OK, that's enough stirring. You two sit at the table while I cook the pancakes.
Mummy Pig is going to flip the pancake over.
You could flip it higher, Mummy Pig.
You can show us how when you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
This first pancake is for George. Mummy Pig pours a little syrup on George's pancake. Delicious. This pancake is Peppa.
Hooray!
You could flip it higher, Mummy Pig.
You will get a chance to show me when you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
Syrup, please. Delicious.
This pancake is for Mummy Pig.
Hooray!
You still aren't flipping them high enough, Mummy Pig.
The next pancake is yours, Daddy Pig. So now you can show us how it should be done. Delicious.
Is everyone watching?
No, we are not, because you are a terrible pancake flipper.
The secret of making a good pancake is to flip it. A 1, 3, 1, 2. Whoopla! And whoopla!
Silly Daddy.
Oh, maybe that was just a bit too high.
Oh, what a shame. That was the last pancake.
It should be a simple matter to get it down.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig cannot reach his pancake.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig. I think I know a way to get it down.
Oh dear. Peppa and George have zero faith in Mummy Pig.
Let's go upstairs, children. This way.
What is Mummy Pig planning to do?
On the count of 3, we all have to start jumping up and down. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Let's go!
What are they doing?
It worked. Now Daddy Pig has his pancake.
Daddy has a pancake on his head.
Yes, he looks really stupid.
Syrup on your pancake, Daddy Pig?
Yes, please. 1, 2, 3. Hoopla! Delicious.